So today actually I had little bit time, so I thought why not make a little special dishes for Krishna. So I thought of making vada, which is onionless vada, and also the vermicelli sabudana kheer, that is also called as payasam. So to make the vada, what I did was I just soaked the urad dal, 1 cup of urad dal for 4 hours, and then grind it into a paste in the mixie. Mix it with the cut cabbages, green chilies, ginger and curry leaves. That's all. And also add some salt and 1 spoon or half a spoon soda. Add 1 spoon rice flour also to make it crispy. The vada becomes crispy. So all together add it in the mixture, the dough mixture, and then constantly stir it for 2 or 3 minutes so that you get the air bubble, and then the vada becomes very soft inside and crunchy outside. So that's all I did for the vada mixture, and after the vada mixture is ready, keep the oil and then deep fry it as a donut. Alright, for vermicelli kheer, the recipe is very simple and the ingredients are milk, vermicelli and sabudana or javarsi or tapioca pros. So for vermicelli kheer, I just took 2 cups of milk and then I boiled the milk. While boiling the milk, on the side, I fried the vermicelli, and then I also soaked the sabudana in water. So the vermicelli is already half cooked, and so it will get easily cooked in the milk after we add it. So it's been added, and the soaked sabudana is actually kept in the water for 4 hours. So it is very soft inside. So that is also added in the boiling milk, the soaked sabudana, and let it boil for 5 minutes until it gets the milk gets cooked thoroughly. So when the boiling milk is getting into the consistency of kheer, you can add the sugar 1:1 ratio, or whatever the quantity you like. Some people like very mild sweetness, some people like no sweet at all. So according to your taste and according to the quantity of sweet, you can add it. I usually add 1:1 ratio, the milk and the sugar. And next is the let it get boiled, and then I keep the small pan and then added 1 spoon of ghee, and when it is warm enough, add the raisins and cashews and also a small piece of cardamom for the smell. And in the milk you can add the saffron if you have, so you get the smell and the color. The fragrance is nice when you add the saffron. So now this dried fruits are getting seasoned, and you can add it in the cooked kheer. Okay, it is done, and that's all. You can just add it in this boiling milk, vermicelli and sabudana. Oh, nice aroma is coming. Actually, I shouldn't be smelling it before offering it to Krishna. So once you offer it, you can taste, you can share with your loved ones, and you can do that. But before that, we usually don't like to smell or taste, because Krishna should be the first one to do that, right? So, and now you can see the vermicelli kheer is ready. On the side, I'm also making, that is no onion salna for parotta, and this is parotta. So this is my morning routine for today. There's a special item today. We made Parotta and Salna, and and also Vada Payasam. Everyone loved it at home. As a special preparation, we offered it to Krishna and we enjoyed it with our family. Hope you like this recipe. And another day I will share the Salna recipe. It really looks nice, Parotta and Salna. It goes together very well. And as you can see, it's getting cooked. Again, for Salna, we don't use onion garlic in our cooking. So instead of onion, I substituted with cabbage. It really tasted very nice, and you won't notice it is made out of cabbage. And when you eat with paratha, that's like a heaven. It was really nice. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.